Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are diving in and looking at Tesla stock. So as of today, the stock popped up 7% in value. So we're gonna be talking about what's going on. Should you buy, sell, hold, and giving you guys my honest review about it. And this is just my opinion. So do your own research before you guys start buying companies. So guys, let's dive into it. Hit that like button, subscribe. Let's jump into it. All right, so I think we all know what Tesla is. Tesla is the leader of the electric auto space, and what we've seen over Tesla over the past 10 years is extreme growth. This company in the past 10 years historically outperformed the S&P 500, Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. So this is a major mover. But in the past year, the chart does not look as hot. We've seen sell-off near and around 40%. Now, is this common? What's going on? Why is it selling off? Honestly, what we've seen is just a variety of issues with Tesla. We've seen Elon, in the news a bunch. We've also seen some production issues. We've seen some delivery issues, stuff like that. Obviously, with the type of market conditions we're in right now, we're gonna see sell-off from a whole bunch of other companies other than Tesla, right? Another main issue that Tesla has faced is these high interest rates. Most people in the United States, they finance a car. When you have rates, at 7 to 9%, you're gonna have people second guess their purchase. And that's kind of what we've seen as well. But today, what we've seen is the stock pop up 7%. So pretty much what we saw is an analysis done on Tesla, and it was pretty much an upgrade. Anytime you have this done by an analysis or an analyst, you're gonna have a whole bunch of retailers invest, right? This was done by Moody, I believe it is. I could be saying that name completely wrong, so cut me some slack. But what we've seen is just an upgrade. Pretty much they were actually very, very, strong, and they really loved this. They gave this quote here. The reason why they're giving an upgrade is because the operational track record. So obviously, is it for future growth? Absolutely. It's also from previous, what they've gone through, how much they've done over the past year in general. And I know we've seen 40% sell-off, but looking at the revenue, we've seen an increase, near and around 37%. Profit margins up 15%. So yeah, we've seen a struggle on the stock, appreciation side, but as far as revenue, the fundamentals, they actually look relatively decent. I understand a lot of people bash Tesla because they say it's overvalued, but you can't argue with the growth. You can't argue with the revenue. You can't argue with the increasing profit margin, the beat earnings. You can't do it. And this was the first year that Tesla delivered over 1 million vehicles and produced that much as well. So I think this is gonna be an amazing year for 2023. Should you buy it, right? That's everyone's main question. Carter, should I invest in it? So for me, this is my personal opinion, what I am doing is dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a great way to invest in these growth companies with volatility that go up and down at rapid rates. What you do is you just invest weekly. That's what I do. I invest weekly every single Friday into Tesla. So no matter if it's going up, down, consolidating, I'm investing. Honestly, I prefer it to sell off because I can average down my price so much. So when this thing recovers, I make a ton of money. And given that we're still sold off 40% from all-time highs, or in the past year, really, I think this still represents a good opportunity to start that dollar cost averaging process. Yeah, you could be paying a little premium, for this company. Could you wait and get away with it? Probably. But I just think looking back in 2 to 5 years, we're gonna be kicking ourselves wishing we would have bought Tesla at these prices. So guys, that's what's going on with it. We just had a major, analysis and major upgrade done by Moody. I could be saying that wrong, but and they gave a major upgrade, so it caused a lot of people to invest, and that's pretty much it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. It helps me out, and you guys can stay up to date with all things stocks, money, and everything. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Take care, guys.